Imagine waking up one morning to find your Instagram Reels flooded with millions of views. 2 million, 9.1 million, maybe even 28.5 million views on a single video. Sounds like a dream, right? But believe it or not, this is happening right now. An AI-generated avatar video recently went viral on social media, and one Instagram account gained an astonishing 179,000 followers in just 3 months using this exact strategy. This one isn't some lucky fluke, it's a proven method. If you want to know how it's done, you're in the right place. What if it could be as simple as using a few free tools and some creativity? In 2024, creating viral AI-generated videos is more accessible than ever. You don't need any technical skills, just the right resources and a bit of imagination. So how does this all work? First off, creating the perfect avatar is essential. Leonardo.AI, a free and user-friendly tool, is ideal for this. Getting started is easy, sign up for an account, and once you're logged in, head over to the AI image generation section. You'll be able to adjust the image settings or stick with the default dimensions, which usually work perfectly. To generate your avatar, just type a detailed prompt, such as a wise-looking man, straight face, dark brown, realistic skin tone. Leonardo.AI will generate an image based on your prompt. To make the image look as realistic as possible, choose the Dream Shaper version 7 model. It delivers great results for high-quality lifelike avatars. Additionally, if you want to avoid cartoonish or overly stylized features, you can add a negative prompt like "no cartoon features" to the input, ensuring that AI stays focused on realism. Once the image is ready, you can choose the one that fits your vision best. With the avatar image in hand, it's time to move on to scripting the video. ChatGPT is a perfect tool for generating engaging and motivational content. Whether you need inspiring quotes or life advice, ChatGPT can help you craft the ideal script. You can ask it for something as general as 5 motivational tips for teenagers, and it will generate a list of useful and compelling tips. These type of life tips are relatable and motivating, making them perfect for a viral video. You can fine-tune the script asking ChatGPT for more quotes or different types of text, depending on the tone you're aiming for. Once you're happy with the script, it's time to move on to the next step, giving the avatar a voice. ElevenLabs.io is a fantastic free tool to generate human-like voiceovers. After copying your script from ChatGPT, you can paste it onto ElevenLabs. This platform allows you to choose from a variety of voice styles such as energetic, calming, or authoritative to match the mood of your video. Now you can listen to the result and adjust it as needed. Once satisfied, you can download the audio file. Now your avatar has a voice that matches its personality, setting the stage for the next step, animation. To animate your avatar, Hagen.com is the tool to use. You can upload the avatar image you created with Leonardo.AI. Then select the portrait mode for best framing of your avatar. Upload the audio file from ElevenLabs, and Hagen will automatically sync the voice with your avatar's mouth movements. It's honestly amazing how realistic and smooth the animation is. In just a few moments, your avatar will come to life speaking the words she scripted. Once your animated avatar is ready, it's time for video editing. For this, CapCut is an excellent free tool. CapCut is designed specifically for creating Instagram Reels and similar content. Start by importing your animated avatar video into CapCut. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for Reels. Then use CapCut's automatic caption feature. This tool generates captions synced with the audio, saving you time and effort. After the captions are generated, you can customize them to fit your style, adjusting the font, size, and color. A bold, clean font like Arial Black is a good choice for ensuring the text is easy to read. Add effects like shadows or strokes to make the captions pop and stand out against the video. Once everything looks good, export the video in high resolution, preferably 1080p or higher, to ensure that it looks crisp when posted online. Once the video is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Posting it on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts is just the beginning. To increase the chances of your video going viral, engagement is key. Engagement includes likes, comments, share, and saves, anything that signals to the platform that your content is worth showing to more people. Responding to comments is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost engagement. When viewers see that you're actively responding, they're more likely to comment themselves. A simple thank you or a thoughtful reply can spark further conversations, keeping your video active in the algorithm. The more comments a video gets, the more likely it is to appear in other feeds. Another important tactic is sharing your video in your Instagram or TikTok stories. Stories allow you to connect with your audience in a more informal, behind-the-scenes way. You can remind people who watch the video, ask them to share it, or simply engage with them directly. Sharing the video in your stories ensures that more of your followers will see it, especially since stories are often viewed by a different audience other than the main feed. Using hashtag effectively can also help your video reach a broader audience. Choose relevant, trending hashtags or create your own to make your content easier to discover. For example, if your video is about motivational tips, hashtag like inspiration, motivation, or AI content could help you gain traction. Cross-promoting your video across multiple platforms is another smart move. Content that performs well on Instagram might also do well on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Each platform has a slightly different user base, and reposting your video in the right format for each platform can give you more opportunities to reach new viewers. You can adjust the captions or hashtag to fit each platform's style, ensuring maximum exposure. Don't forget to ask your audience to share the video or tag friends. A simple call to action like tag someone who needs to hear this encourages viewers to spread the word, increasing your chances of going viral. The more shares your video gets, the further it will spread. Lastly, consistency is crucial. The more often your post gets engaged with your audience, the more likely your content will continue to perform well. Social media rewards creators who remain active, so posting, engaging, and experimenting with new ideas. And the best part? Well, these tools are free. No need to invest in expensive software or complicated editing programs. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The key to success lies in creativity. With these tools, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's for personal branding, business, or just for fun, anyone can create stunning viral AI videos. All that's needed is a right combination of engaging script, a lifelike avatar, and a voice that brings everything together. Once the video is animated and edited, it's all about sharing it with the world and engaging with your audience. The world of AI-generated content is rapidly evolving. And as more people start creating these videos, the opportunities for viral success will only increase. So why not give it a try? With a little creativity, the right tool, and some persistence, the next viral sensation could just be one video away. Whether you're trying to build your social media presence or simply want to experiment with AI, the process is fun, accessible, and potentially very rewarding. The power to create viral content is in your hands. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Did you learn how to make viral videos? If you loved learning with us, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.